All right, gang. All right, gang. So we have two trades going on right here. One at 1983 and one at 1986. 1986. So, all right. So we have our Fibonacci on here. Gold got all the way back down to 0.786 Fibonacci. Went lower than 0.786 Fibonacci before heading back up. Now it's at currently gold is at 0.618 Fibonacci, mind you. Gold can even get up higher. We're expecting gold to get up higher, go to 0.5 Fibonacci 1997, and 0.38, back up to 0.382 Fibonacci, where it was just at March 10th, 2022. It stopped here at 0.382 Fibonacci. It didn't even get up to zero. We were expecting gold to get back up to at least to 2020, and we're expecting to take profit TP20, TP20 right here. You're expecting gain gold to get back up to TP20, take profit 2020. um you know and we have our uptrend, of course. We had our uptrend. We was in the uptrend from March 10th 2022 all the way to March 10th 2022, from from 1975 all the way up to at least 2009. Then gold heads back down, retests back down 0.68, 0.786 Fibonacci before heading all the way back up to 0.5. And then it's been in a little downtrend. So we had our uptrend right here. This actually was an uptrend. It braced this uptrend, and it goes back down. So we knew gold was heading back down because we had our uptrend and price was breaking it was breaking this uptrend right here. So it braced this uptrend right here. Boom, braced this uptrend. And when gold starts heading back down, and it gets all the way down to 1981, right? We get in at 1983 and 1987, and this lets us know it went back down. It went back down to 0.786 Fibonacci and started consolidating. You see consolidation right here. We would draw a box. Right here, we would draw a box around consolidation. Price was just consolidating. Boom. Finally breaks high consolidation. Boom, starts heading up. Boom. And now, at 0.786 Fibonacci, this is 0.618 Fibonacci. What does price do? It does the same exact thing. And right now, gang, we see, gold is consolidating right now at this level right here at our 0.618 Fibonacci, and we're waiting for it to break out of this box and go all the way up to 0.5 Fibonacci 1997. So it should get back up there. Should get back up there, and then we should at least go back up to 0.382. It was just here, in the past, March 10th, March 11th, 2022. We're expecting gold to get back up here where it was just at March 10th, 2022. So pretty simple, once price got down, once price, broke this uptrend, we knew it was going to retest back down to 0.786 Fibonacci. It breaks this trend line, boom, we have our Fibonacci on here and should get back up to 0.382 Fibonacci, and then eventually zero is at take profit TP20 2020. So we're just waiting right now. We're just being patient. And we're trying to swing trade this, entry day trade this. If it goes past TP20, wants to go higher, obviously we'll swing trade this and hold this trade over the weekend. And as we know, gold can get all the way back up here. Let's go to the 30 so I can show you that actually better on the 30. All right, gang. This is cool right here. Just back up a little bit. I want to still be able to show you structure. Might have to go to the 51 hour. Might have to. Let me know if you can see that clear. All-time high is up here. All-time high is at 2070. No, okay, so cool. It's cool, right? All right. So see, go within a downtrend we have from 2059 all the way down to take profit 15, 1975, right? Goes all the way down to 1975, boom. And then before, starts to head back up, this is March 9th, gets all the way down here from March 9th, 2059, all the way down to March 9th, 1972, right? Gets all the way down here, boom, all-time highs right here, up here. Just drag that down a little bit. Cool. We see our all-time high, boom, at 270, right? Price gets after price goes all the way down, all the way up to all-time high, 270. Move that over some more like that. Cool. All-time high 270. Boom, it drops all the way back down to TP20 before heading back up to 2059 before heading all the way back down to take profit 15. 1972, and this happened from March 9th to March 9th, right? Major move with gold, drops completely down. And then March 9th to March 10th, we see gold, headed all the way back up to 0.382 Fibonacci from 1970 all the way up to 2008 before retesting back down, breaks this trend line, retested back down to 0.786 Fibonacci, and goes all the way down to 1981. Now we're waiting for gold to head back up to 0.382. Obviously, when price gets above 0.382, price is around New York session. It should get to zero, take profit 20, TP20. And once it gets to TP20, we should see it go higher than that. We should see it go to 27 extension, 2030, 2033. And it can get all the way back up here again. It can get all the way back up to 2059. It was just here March 9th. And March 9th, it went all the way down to 1972 from 2059. So it can definitely get back up here today to 2000, at least going to the 2000, 2040, 2020. Definitely take profit 20, TP20. So we're just expecting that to happen. We just have to wait. Me personally, I like to trade every session, like not every session, but I'll trade into London and go into New York session. And I'm trying to maximize profit. I'm not swing trading. I'm not I don't have like a big account as other traders, as some of my mentors and other traders. So what I do is I hold my trade from London session, from like about like Asian session, sometimes like Asian session, London session. Like this move didn't happen until London session, obviously around like 2:30. We didn't 3 o'clock actually. We didn't see gold start to head back up, and I'll hold it from 3 o'clock all the way until about 8, 9, 10 o'clock. And I'll just hold it all the way there. Sometimes even higher. I even hold it all day, like depending on, because I'm trying to make up for the lack that I don't have that much money, so I have to hold my trade longer. To other traders, if you have a big enough lot size, and your lot size is big enough, then you can hold it for a couple hours and then get out the trade. If you're still like not have that, if your account is not that big though, you have to hold it longer, obviously, and it'll match up to as someone as someone had as traders that use bigger lot size and just hold it for a few hours. It'll still match up to it. So that's my trick. That's how I look at it. Obviously, it wasn't a downtrend. It looked like it made made a lower low, then made a higher low, and then made a lower low. Then it could make a higher low before making a lower low. Definitely could do that as well. We could be in a downtrend as a new session. Could appear up, and a new session could start, and we could be in a downtrend as well. As this session, London session, we were in an uptrend, but that doesn't mean it has to stay in an uptrend. I just wanted to show you this on the 30-minute, but we're expecting gain price to get all the way up to 27 extension 2033. But I'll keep you updated on this game. All right, gang.